Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thanks for joining me today. Alright, first of all, I'm gonna apologize for my voice because I sound like I'm being choked. That's because I can't breathe. I'm coming down with another cold for the second time this winter and I'm so over it. I just want to go back to Africa. Take me back to the motherland. Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you how I use a fenugreek seeds or fenugreek powder for my protein treatment. So I'm going to be using my fenugreek powder, my coconut milk, my olive oil, my almond oil, my castor oil, coconut oil, and my conditioner. And I say conditioner because, like I said, this is a protein treatment and I do like to add a little bit of conditioner in there as well, just to have a decent protein and moisture balance. If you don't know about protein and moisture balance, you should read about it, and it is important for your hair to have a decent protein and moisture balance. So that's why I add my moisturizer in there. I'm gonna be mixing all of that with my fenugreek spritz, which is basically water infused in fenugreek seeds, and I'm gonna talk about that later. So fenugreek is the miracle remedy. Like, it has been used by Indian women since ancient times for beautiful hair, long and luscious hair. You know Indian women have the most beautiful hair. Fenugreek helps in treating dandruff, itching, flaky scalp while triggering hair growth. Fenugreek is a great protein treatment as it is high in protein, vitamin C, and nicotinic acid, which also encourages hair growth. The pros of using fenugreek for your hair is all that I have mentioned. So the hair growth, the luster it gives to your hair, the shine, the bounce, and all of that good stuff. But then the cons of using fenugreek, guys, oh my goodness, is the smell. I don't know if any of you guys have used fenugreek or have tried it or have heard about it, but I wasn't expecting this. I knew it was gonna have some type of smell. It wasn't gonna smell like roses or whatever, but I wasn't expecting this. Like, it was, the smell is just overpowering. It's just, when I use this thing, when I researched about it, and I did the mix, like I said, the sprays, so water infused in fenugreek, I did the oil, I did everything. I was like, damn, like fenugreek, yes, like I have fenugreek in my backyard basically, why not use it? Then I did, and literally, guys, felt like I had like a curry bath. Like literally, I was smelling curry like for days. Like, I don't know how. I was speechless. I was like, nah, like I don't need long hair and all that, but fam, nah, it's not that deep. I can't be smelling like curry. Just no, I can't do that. So I don't use the sprays regularly as I used to no more. I don't use the oil regularly as I used to no more, and I do this treatment just once a week. I alternate this like protein treatment with my other protein treatment, with like my henna protein treatment and my other DIY protein treatment I do, and that's the only time I use it. Other than that, I don't, because this thing smells like hell, so I don't think it's worth me going around smelling like curry just to have long hair. So yeah, but overall it's a good treatment. It's a good protein treatment. My hair came out looking shiny, like my coils were popping, my hair was soft, it was shiny, it was bouncy, it was everything. Like, my hair really literally loved this stuff. Like, I'm still gonna keep doing it. I'm not gonna be doing it like regularly as I would love to, because like I said, the smell, but overall it is a good protein treatment. It's a good hair care treatment, and I would recommend you guys to try it. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you think about the fenugreek, if you've used it, if you've not. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Besos.